Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove a family member from your Amazon family. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. Initially, simply click on Accounts and Lists that you'll find on the nav bar right next to Returns and History. Once you're in this page, simply scroll down till you see something like Shopping Programs and Rentals. From here, simply click on this tab that says Manage your Amazon family. Click on it right now. Then you will be redirected to a page like this. Well, let's just say we want to delete a member from our Amazon family. Right here, this is the person that I would like to delete, so I'm going to click on his profile right now. And then as you can see, something like this opened up. At the very bottom, you can see something like Remove Tom from your Amazon family. Click on this button right here. And guys, it's gonna ask you for your confirmation whether you actually want to remove the profile or member or not. Simply hit on remove. And guys, as you can see, we have successfully deleted a member from our Amazon family. And guys, that's it. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.